Cooking food on a grill in the great outdoors is one of life's simple pleasures, so, if you're looking for the perfect portable grill to take camping with you and whip up some fantastic camp food, we've got some reliable recommendations for you. Number 1. Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal Grill. For the fans of pit cooking out there, we offer up the Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal Grill. This well-built barbecue is an innovative take on the manufacturer's classic design, incorporating their enameled, cast-iron construction into a convenient, compact package. The rectangular basin can hold a coal bed that is both deep and evenly spread. A plated steel top grate settles securely into place thanks to deep-seated insets cast into the grill frame, so you can easily adjust heat zones without fear of dropping your whole meal into the coals. We cannot guarantee that the Go Anywhere will boast the same heat output as its gas-powered competitors. That's up to you and your coal stoking abilities. There is certainly a learning curve to mastering different heat zones, but cooking over charcoal potentially offers an accuracy that cannot be matched when cooking with gas. The tightly fitting vents are tough to adjust without gloves, and it takes time to skillfully manage these adjustments for perfect airflow, but we can assure you that with practice, this portable grill can allow you to master the art of cooking over an open flame and produce delicious food in the process, even on the go. Pros: sizable coal bed, affordable price, well-insulated, cast-iron construction, charcoal grilling advantages over gas. Cons: relatively bulky. Number 2. Coleman 285 Portable Propane Grill. For tailgating, camping, or a barbecue in the park, the RoadTrip 285 is easy to haul and set up. It runs on 16-ounce propane canisters. Bring spares if you're cooking for a crew or making multiple meals. The two-piece grates are made of cast iron and coated with porcelain, covering 3 burners that yield 20,000 BTUs. The burners all sit under the solid center sections of the grates, which our bread test revealed to be the hottest area on the grill. You will need to carefully manage indirect heat when cooking thicker things like chicken on the bone. We kept it over the open grates around the edges of the grill. The 25 by 12-inch cooking surface will hold a lot of burgers, dogs, or whatever your preference. And, if you want to mix things up, the grill grates swap out for griddle or stove grates, available separately. Pros: 3 burners. Cons: solid grate areas may cause uneven cooking. Number 3. Masterbuilt Portable Charcoal Grill. For its portable charcoal grill, Masterbuilt employed a simple version of technology it developed for its larger 560 digital charcoal grill. With the use of a fan and a separate charcoal firebox, you can have this grill hot enough to cook in about the same time it takes to heat up a portable propane grill. We loaded the firebox with charcoal from the Good Charcoal Company, which was a consistent medium size and perfect for the small, 5-pound capacity firebox. We lit the charcoal with a torch for about 60 seconds, turned the fan to medium, closed the firebox, and in 15 minutes we were grilling burgers. The fan is electric, of course, but that doesn't mean you have to be tied to an outlet. It can also be powered by 4 AA batteries. When we tested using battery power, with the fan set on medium speed, we were able to grill for about 5 hours. The grill features a porcelain-coated, cast-iron cooking grate that helps provide even heat, and which we found easy to clean. We were able to roll the grill around easily, with the collapsible cart, and with the dedicated firebox and locking grill lid, we didn't spread ashes wherever we went with it. The Masterbuilt Portable Charcoal Grill makes grilling with charcoal easy, fast, and clean. Pros: porcelain-coated, cast-iron grate cooks evenly and is easy to clean, heats up as quickly as propane grill. Cons: battery power, for the fan, may run out after 5 hours. Number 4. Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Tabletop Grill. This somewhat simple, unassuming grill turned out to be the sleeper in our test. We were impressed by how easy it was to cook with either direct or indirect heat. The charcoal tray is adjustable, hanging from a ladder rack that can quickly raise or lower the coals as needed. The burgers came out with fantastic coloring and that cooked over charcoal taste. To cook chicken more slowly, we shuffled the coals to one side, put it in away from them, and closed the lid. The damper on top allows for fine management of the heat, and a large, easy-to-read thermometer made monitoring the temperature simple. As far as portability, this tabletop grill doesn't break down to take up less space. What you see is what you get, and it might be difficult to transport in smaller cars. We were surprised to find that the Rambler is nearly 50 pounds. That might seem a tad heavy, but it has cast iron grill grates and is fabricated from thick gauge steel, instead of cheap stamped sheet metal. It's built to last, though we wouldn't suggest hiking into the woods with it. Pros: easy to use. Cons: a bit heavy. Number 5. Weber Q2200 Gas Grill. If you're searching for a gas grill you can bring on all your adventures that also performs well enough to be used at home, Look no further than the Weber Q2200. This portable grill has everything you need to cook up delicious meals, including 280 square inches of cooking space and 2 folding work tables to make food prep quick and easy. We tried it out, at home and on the road, to grill hot dogs, steaks, and veggies, and were impressed with the final results each time. The sturdy Weber Q2200 has a number of high-end features usually reserved for full-size grills, such as a built-in lid thermometer, electronic ignition, and infinite control burner valve. When it came to the gas grill's performance, it gets hot quickly, cooks food evenly, and is easy to clean when you're done. The unit has a cast aluminum body and ergonomic side handles to make it easy to move from one place to another. It's a little bit heavy for a portable option, weighing in at over 43 pounds, but most of the weight is actually its cast iron grates, which can be carried separately for easy transport. One downside during assembly was the drip pan didn't fit properly, which necessitated a small trim to get it to slide in, out of the box. This can be powered by 1-pound gas canisters, but Weber does sell an attachment if you want to use 20-pound tanks. We also tested and recommend the Q1200, which has 189 square inches of cooking space and a 500 BTU burner. Pros: extremely easy to set up and operate, spacious cooking area, impressive cooking performance, large folding side tables. Cons: somewhat heavy for a portable grill, catch pan didn't fit properly.